find the 150th partial sum. Again, it's this partial sum. Understand that they use that expression because and you could not add up the whole thing because it wouldn't sum to anything. It would be infinite. But we could figure out, if we just had 150 terms to add up, that we could figure out. So we're going to use our formula. Sn is n over 2 times a1 plus an. And two of the three things we need to know here are pretty easy. It's the 150th partial sum. So clearly, n is 150. The first term we can see, it's 5. But the thing we don't know is we don't know the 150th term. We need to know the last term in the sequence before we can add them up. So we're going to have to do something to figure out the 150th term in the sequence. Okay, what do we have to figure out? We have to figure out what is A150. Well, we can figure out a formula for the nth term in the sequence. That should be A1 plus n minus 1 times b. In this case, it is A1, which is 5, plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which looks like 11. Right? And if I want to find the 150th term, then I'm going to plug in n equals 150. Right? And that, I'm going to my calculator, which you can't see. That is going to be 5 plus 149 times 11, which is 1,644. So now I do know the last term, 1,644, which means I can use this formula for the sum, right? The S150 equals 150 divided by 2 times 5 plus 1644. And I am going to stuff that in the calculator too. That will be 75 times 5 plus 1644, 123,675.